Itong mga engineer na I mentioned, just for good measure, they're the same. I do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Alleged bagman is the district engineer, has been staying in position for at least 10 years. Secretary Mark issued an order for the transfer of the said district engineer, but until now it has not been implemented due to the intervention of Congressman Sato. Well, the Secretary of DPWH is listening now, maybe. Somebody should relay the message na itong si district engineer, kung sino naman itong yawa na ito, you are relieved beginning tomorrow. If you are listening, this is nationwide. Secretary Mark Villar, kindly implement the order. Get him out of the office by tomorrow, noon time. Former district engineer Lorna Ricardo has been removed from her post due to the it should be expose made by Commissioner Greco Belica regarding the involvement de Ricardo in corruption activities being perpetrated in your province. You are to report tomorrow to the office of the secretary. You are relieved. Marlene Ingolio, district engineer, pati si district engineer, kaya pala sabi ko, sige ako basa district engineer pala itong yawa na ito. District engineer Divinadera, Ramon Divinadera, pati Marin. You are relieved and report to your secretary by tomorrow. District engineer Ana Lee Manzano, Misamis Occidental, First District, First Engineering District, and District Engineer Caroline Abinales, OIC, Misamis Occidental, Second District Engineering Office. You are relieved, ma'am. Tomorrow, District Engineer Edeta Babaran, Isabela Third District Engineering Office. District Engineer Edmundo de Luna, Isabela Fourth District Engineering Office. District Engineer Ireneo Galato, Benguet First District Engineering Office. District Engineer Romilda A. Bagasan, Benguet Engineering Office. Itong mga engineer na I mentioned, just for good measure, they're the same. I do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Now, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned all over the country. I will reorganize the assignments. Ikutin ko kayong lahat.